All right, so these are the story problems where, right, the question is, are we referring to a whole? I should probably jot that. Right, are we referring to a whole or one, or are we referring to the original quantity? So the extra practice for lesson 8 wants you to write a story problem for 4/7 minus 1/2. So Professor E had 4/7 pounds of apples. He lost half a pound. So I'm referring to 1 pound when I say that. How many pounds of apples does he have left? Contrast that with the story problem for 4/7 minus half of 4/7. So same context. Professor E had 4/7 of a pound of apples. He gave Professor L half of his apples. So this half of his apples is referring to this 4/7, not one whole. How many pounds of apples does he have left? So you're going to get a different answer when you actually solve the work. The main moral or takeaway from this, the main takeaway from this is just simply, is this referring to, right, one whole, or are we referring to the original quantity? Is it half of a pound, or is it half of 4/7? That's all.